Hello my friends. I want to share my secret. I really love fish. I would like to present to you my fishing result. Fish protein is a very light product, it is well absorbed and can be quickly cooked. The fish goes well with many other foods. I usually make various fish soups from the remains of a large fish catch. Today I will share my favorite fish soup recipes. Step 1. Let's prepare vegetables. Use whatever you love. I am cooking potatoes, carrots and celery today. Boil vegetables in a little water. If you like butter or cream, add them to the vegetables at the end of cooking. I will not use fat because I have a huge fat fish. She will make a wonderful fish broth. Step 2. Let's cook the fish. Leftovers from fish, head, fins, bones, fish swim bladder, rinse well, cover with water and cook over low heat for about 20 minutes. To make the broth tasty, I add lots of onions, bay leaves, and black pepper. It is important that the broth is clear. Don't let it boil violently. Step 3. Let's make sesame toast. Cut the sandwich bread into small pieces. Dip in a fresh egg and then in sesame seeds. Fry in vegetable oil on both sides. Step 4. Cooking fish soups. I made 2 different soups with the same ingredients. The first type of fish soup is a small amount of boiled vegetables, plus fish broth, plus pieces of boiled fish, plus sesame toast. The second type of fish soup is vegetable puree soup. Grind the boiled vegetables with a blender. Add a little fish broth to the ready-made homogeneous mixture of vegetables to add flavor and aroma to the soup. Prepare pieces of boiled fish, place them in the center of the fish soup plate. Serve toast with sesame seeds to accompany the soup. Treat your loved ones to fresh, hot fish soup. It is delicious and aromatic. I wish you a pleasant lunch. Thanks for watching. Like it, thumb up and subscribe to my channel.